everyone, it's time to do a science eyes activity, and we are going to make vampire toothpaste. So we're going to be cleaning our vampire teeth with our toothbrush, and you're going to need your little cauldron and then the little thing that says beet on it. So ask mommy, daddy, or someone at home to help you. You need the cup of vinegar and some dish soap, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do, Miss Danielle's gonna help me, is pour the baking soda into the cauldron.
Be very careful. Have someone at home help you. So you're gonna pour it in. All of it?
All of it.
All of it, okay.
And then it says, if
Put it in there.
If you want,
in there like this.
if you want, add a drop of dish detergent. So we're gonna add a drop.
Just a drop.
Drop. Drop.
Ooh.
All right. And then it says pour a small amount of vinegar into the cauldron.
We're
and
gonna
we're gonna
watch.
watch what happens.
Ooh.
It foamed up.
It's making bubbles.
Yeah.
Pour more, pour
Put
more.
some more? Okay. Ooh.
Oh, here it comes. Yay, look at it. Now we can brush our teeth.
Brush the teeth of the vampire. Brush, 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 brush. Now he's gonna get all clean.
I see bubbles.
All right, now it's your turn to try. Make sure you have someone helping you pour.